Hello guys, welcome back to yet another video. So it's nice to see that OnePlus is adding almost 99% of features to OnePlus Nord series which we received on OnePlus flagship devices like OnePlus 13R and OnePlus 12 series. So other than one feature which they haven't added, rest all the features have been added with the latest update of March for OnePlus Nord series, which includes OnePlus Nord 3 and OnePlus Nord 4. So here you can see we have our OnePlus Nord 4, and on this device I did receive an OTA update. If you take a look at the version which is 15.0.0.701. So this is the latest build which consists of March security patch. The update size for OnePlus Nord 4 was 1.34 GB, and for OnePlus Nord 3 it's kind of similar, only above 1 GB itself. Talking about the software info, here you can see the security patch is of now 1st March 2025. And like other devices, few of the changes are mentioned in the changelogs, but few of them are not mentioned. We'll talk about every change in this video, but before moving ahead, if you guys find the content useful to you guys, then make sure to smash the like button and also consider subscribing to our channel. So we'll cover all the features along with the changelog itself. So if I show you the changelogs here, you can see they have mentioned 4 changes: layer to system, after that security and privacy, and at last communication. Starting off with the first one, so here they are talking about the resizable option for the folders on the home screen. So they have upgraded the OnePlus launcher here. Previously we did make a video about it, and here now you can resize the folder using a slide gesture in 4 different shapes. One is the bigger one, square, vertical, and even the horizontal one. And at last you can keep it as small as in single application icon. For that you have to just press on the home screen and you will see such type of outline on the folders. After that, which you can drag and resize the folder as per your requirement. But they have still not added the stacked recents page, which mostly will be coming with the next update, which will let you use the recents page in an iOS like style. For that also we have made a video. If you guys want to check it out, you can find it in the description below. Then if you see the next change, which is layer 2, improve animation of notification and quick setting tiles. And yes guys, there's a noticeable improvement in the animation of quick setting tiles, or you can say notification panel. And as I told you guys, few of the changes they haven't mentioned, and one of them is layer to the shape of volume slider and brightness slider. Previously in these 2 tiles, OnePlus did make a change, and those tiles used to look quite weird because only those 2 tiles had the weird shape which wasn't matching the overall look of control center. But now they have again got back this rounded shape, and which is really appreciable. But one bug which I notice here, so for example, whenever you tap on the Wi-Fi or Bluetooth icon or the tile, and when you tap on the other area to go back, you'll see a slight lag in adapting to the rounded shape for the tiles of Bluetooth and Wi-Fi, and this thing looks very bad. OxygenOS seems to be one of the smoothest UI right now, but this bug is really irritating and it spoils the entire usage of OxygenOS 15. And as I told you guys, one feature they haven't added, and that's the speaker cleaner feature. So if you see here on OnePlus 13R, we do have a feature called speaker cleaner in the control center, which lets you clean the speaker. That feature is not present here on OnePlus Nord 4. I'm not sure why they haven't added, because it doesn't require any kind of additional hardware support. It's just an application which uses high frequency sound to clean the speaker, and that thing should have been added on OnePlus Nord series. After that, talking about other changes which you can find it in the wallpaper section. So here you can see the UI have been changed now. Previously we used to see preview for things like recents, album, and carousel wallpaper, but now that thing have been removed. And even if you go here, try to apply any wallpaper, so here also the album section have been completely revamped, and this looks really bad. Previously we had a colorful background which used to look better. I don't know why OnePlus is making such weird changes in the UI. After that, you also get to see 4 live wallpapers from Realme devices. So if you go to the live wallpaper section, scrolling down, these are the 4 new live wallpapers which we generally see on Realme phones, and those wallpapers have been added on almost every OnePlus smartphone with the March update. When it comes to launcher, after updating the launcher to the latest build, now we do have option to add 5 application in the dock, even if you are using 4:6 grid size. So if I long press on the home screen, here if you see home screen layout is set to 4:6. Now you don't have to change this to 5:6. Without even changing that, you can still add 5 applications in the dock now. Then some minor changes you will see in the file manager application. Now the text size have been slightly increased compared to the previous one. Let me show you here on my OnePlus 13, which still haven't received the OTA update. So going to my files, here if you take a look at this text, the text size was very small compared to what we get to see now. Here they have increased the text size for things like source, quick access, and tags. And in the file manager, they have also added a new feature called lossless optimization. This wasn't available previously, but now you can optimize the applications. So here device will automatically show those applications which requires compression, and once you compress the application, it won't affect the use of that particular application. Those applications will still perform as usual. And now after this update, you do have the support of live capsule for the stopwatch too. Previously it was only available for timer. Now if you start this stopwatch and go back, you can see live capsule in action. Slowly we'll have more application support for the live capsule. After that, next change says adjust the size and visual design of 2x2 and 4x2 third-party widgets in 4x6 home screen layout. So the home screen layout is set to 4x6, but here actually I did not notice any kind of difference when you talk about 4x2 or 2x2 widget size. If you guys have noticed, do let me know in the comment section below. Later on, they have integrated March security patch, and then we have an update for security and privacy. Here they say they have improved the process for resetting your privacy password. I actually did not notice any kind of changes here. When I tap on forget password, I still get those similar options, which is reset through recovery email or reset via security question. These two options were already present. And if you go here under privacy password, we still have a bug here for the question. So if I try to enter anything like father's name, and if I tap on done, you can still see it says set. So this is a bug after this latest build under privacy password. Let's see if this thing gets fixed with the upcoming updates or not. After that, they have improved Wi-Fi network switching and mobile data roaming for more seamless experience. And now let's talk about the benchmark results. And sorry guys, I could not find the records of previous builds, I mean the benchmark testing, but now we have noted down all these things, and with the upcoming updates, we can compare the scores. So here using Geekbenchmark application, all the tests were performed in the high performance mode. Single core have scored 1797 and multi-core scores are 4352. And Antutu benchmark application is not getting installed here. I did try both the applications, 3D got installed, but the normal application which is required to run the test, that application is not getting installed. In terms of CPU throttling, maximum CPU throttle 58% and the average gives were 3,03,000. The test was performed with 100 thread up to 30 minutes. And even in wildlife extremes test, we did notice slight low stability scores in which device has only scored 56.4% and the maximum temperature what we noticed was 44 degrees Celsius. So I'll keep you guys posted about the reviews and bugs in the upcoming videos, or you can say in the in-depth review video. As of now, only this much in this video. If you guys have any kind of questions, drop them in the comment section below. This is your friend Ashok signing out. See you guys in the next video.